do you reckon, dude?
Sexy.
Sexy.
Absolute sex.
Sex. Two men orgasming. Oh dear.
You have to ease these in gently because it's on a tapered thread.
Slag. Hey! I'm filming Andrew!
Get that shit out of the way.
Hey! That's a bike, man, that is. That's a bike. Look at it. Oosh! Oosh!
Where do you want it?
I don't know, just sit there a minute so it looks cool. Pull some poses.
Where's the sunglasses?
I don't know.
Where's your shades, huh?
Just looking at Beyonce.
Yeah.
We don't need shades.
Don't need shades. It's a bit blinkage.
See, Andrew could have posed on that with a Gringo helmet on.
Yeah, could have done, yeah.
Yeah, but I haven't got a beard or a check shirt or nothing like that. So. No.
We don't need a beard in a Gringo.
There's the cameraman and his wife beater. Awesome. Let's get around the ugly side, look. Even the ugly side's sexy. What do you reckon, dude?
Sexy.
Sexy.
Absolute sex.
Sex. Two men orgasming. Oh dear. Don't spill your beer.
Turn the fuel injection system on. Give me Red Bull.
Oh, beauty. Nice.
What, me belt slap?
No, I'm not filming your doctors.
A bit of indigestion.
Come on, get out of this. Right, we're at B&H. We've got the big reveal for the Epic Shovelhead. Here's one of the mad wizards.
Mad as fuck.
Here it is. Get ready for the customer to turn up.
Ghost bike.
Ghost bike.
Yeah.
He's going to cream himself over that. It looks epic.
Cream the sheets.
Cream the sheets. I hope they're clean. They're not terrace sheets, are they?
There she is, John.
Oh.
Where's Droops? Droops? Who's down to pull these covers off? Where's your young lady? Come on, darling.
Come on.
purse strings holder. Oh, wow, Jesus Christ. Oh, that's fucking amazing.
You like?
Oh yeah, me like.
That boy done a good job?
Holy mother. That is incredible, isn't it? And we're going to cover that in road grime and shit over the next. Oh yes, thank you very much. Ah, it's amazing. Jesus.
And Amber says the seat's comfy.
Yeah, those airbags, they work. Fantastic. Oh, I'm absolutely blown away. Blown away. It's amazing. Jesus, look at that paint. Wow.
Come on then, get on it.
We didn't do the sunken in cap, John, because it just didn't look right.
No, that looks cool. There's
Yeah.
nothing wrong with that. Lovely. Testadora.
What does that mean anyway?
It's Italian for hard-headed.
Oh, I thought it was like dual testicles or something.
Big ballones. Big ballones.
Yeah. Some big makers.
It's hard-headed because everything about this motorcycle, until I met you, was really fucking difficult. It's just astonishing. Look at that paint. It's just astonishing.
It's come out right, the paint, hasn't it?
Oh my god. Look at it. It's just amazing. And that exhaust.
Yeah. And it's
The quality
lovely
is-
through that exhaust.
The quality of the welds on the exhaust is just amazing.
Yeah.
Like nice little touches here. They've put, you know, the red on the end of the oil lines.
Yeah.
You've got red plug leads
Looks
now
great.
as well, all to go in with the,
Yeah.
you know. What was the 66 for again?
66 is first year of the Shovelhead production.
Right.
And also year of my birth.
So we thought you were shortchanging yourself with a 66, but
That means I'm the oldest here. Does my head in.
oh no.
Well, that's amazing. Shall we start it?
Yeah.
What do you do?
Keys down here now.
Yeah, nice one.
So we're just on one for that. Fuel on over here because you had a different tap before.
I did. A leaky one.
Yeah.
Bit of that.
Bit of the old my compression. Bit of that.
Bit of that. We better have a bit of that as well.
Oh my god. I need a full instruction manual.